Alright, we are live. Welcome to a Friday stream. So, I think I'm gonna skip the usual, looking at other people's stuff today, because I have to be somewhere and this will be a shorter stream, but I wanted to test stuff a little bit more and, do some stuff, so we're gonna do that. So, yeah, this is where we were testing last time. And let me go ahead and again preface this with these commands are not available yet. Don't try and use them. And the commands that I use may change by the time they are actually released. So keep that in mind. They might not change. They might also change. I don't know. But yes, just keep that in mind. They aren't going to be usable right now as of time of living or even posting on YouTube. But yeah, with that in mind, let's look at what we can do. So, need to open up the wiki, which I have apparently access to the special wiki, which has the newer commands. Okay, so what I want to test, okay, here, first things first, let's just read a little bit here, because I'm gonna just show you this. I don't think there's a problem with me showing it, because you can't really get to it if you don't have access anyway. But anyway, so, easy place, places a single structure at the player's position. Okay. So it's like do a shape around me, like / sphere, essentially. And then we have scatter, which we know, multiple structures within a selected region. And then we have array, which is multiple structures sequentially along a path. Is that not just what this is? That, yeah, what this is that I did, right? This panda thing back here. It's nightmare fuel of a build. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, right? Put these side by side. So then we got brush. We know that. The cool thing though is that, again, it can layer itself. ezEdits always has. It's like an onion, But yeah, so point being, like, we could probably just do easy brush. And actually, I'm curious how an array brush works, right? So, I'm gonna go select something so we can use clipboard. Let me go ahead and just enter that so it's there. Let me use the big plant. Yeah, I'll use the little plant because I think it's more interesting. So boom, boom. Go ahead and copy this bad boy. Okay. And, oh yeah, so one of the other things that got added was being able to use multiple schematics, or the star at the end. So, skim _ star is now allowed. So I was trying to do that with the command. It's one of the things that I put on the VIP suggestions. And if you're really wondering, I only put them in VIP just because the commands aren't out yet, and I don't want to confuse people. Otherwise, I mean, I would have put it in the other one, in the regular public suggestions one. Anyway, easy or brush array, clipboard, origin. Yeah, we'll do inherent because that should be from where we copied it. We copied it in a good spot. Paste method. I still don't know the difference between fast and smooth. Wonder if we can figure that out. Excuse me, in the wiki. Let's go to brush. Well, this is brush scatter. We want... Yeah, easy brush array. Okay, so this is the one that we're actually using right now. So, okay, I don't care about the server admin thing, but structure, primary, secondary. So yeah, the structure is going to be what we just copied, obviously. Primary and secondary, what is this? Every structure has an intrinsic up direction, yeah, and an intrinsic forward direction. Okay, that's different. I mean, I guess that makes sense. It's kind of like, I guess just pick north, right? By default, structures are placed with their up direction facing, well, up, yes, and their forward direction facing forward, yes, okay. So positive Y and positive X. Got it. It's just, yeah, okay. It's just the rotation of it, essentially, right? And second may not be the same direction. Oh, that was probably supposed to do something that it didn't do. Okay. So basically, we just want random, right? I mean, that aim. So I guess on evaluation of a noise function could be cool. Honestly, yeah, aim, noise, and random seem like the most useful. Player relative could be useful, but yeah, I guess that would have to be for very specific things, I feel. What is view differential? Define a direction using 2 clicks. Exclusively for brushes. Okay, but that still doesn't really... What does that mean? Each placement requires a right click and a left click. The first right click sets the placement position at the targeted block. Left clicking somewhere else defines the direction. Oh, okay, got it. So you're starting a point and then pointing at another point to say, look at that, or point that way, right? Okay, got it. That could be useful. So that, again, is something that I feel would be much more specifically useful, I guess. Okay, so I want to go back to this. So then we have tangential, direction, tangential to path. I still don't know what that means. Oh, that's what I did with this. Okay, that's this, essentially. Got it. Yeah, it just points where the path is going, essentially. Yeah. Why am I... Wait, was I just flying? Was what... Do I have wings? I do have wings. Okay, I think that's what was happening. I was gliding somehow. Started using my elytra. I was like, what in the heck is going on? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I don't need to see that picture more. Thank you, though. Okay, and then what was the last one? Orthogonal. That is the angle given in degrees defines the initial direction of the orthogonal direction, where it's by 0 and 360 degrees will face up, 90 degrees, and 270 degrees face left and right, and 180 degrees faces down. And so at the first part of the spline, at least, it may twist further along if the normal mode is set to constant, which is the default setting. Okay, let's see an example of this one. Oh, okay. So it's essentially being able to rotate this, right? Like rotate where it's facing, where the forward is along this line. I guess that's the easiest way that I can think of it to say, right? Because it's essentially having the trees like look out this way and then follow out, following this thing, it would probably look out like this way, and then it would look, you know, it would be facing me, or the top of the tree would be facing me essentially the entire time, if that makes sense. Okay, that's cool. Again, very specific, but still useful. Okay. So actually, let me go back and let me grab the command that I used it as an example for being able to use multiple schematics, and let's just see if that command just works now, right? Go to ezEdits, server, Discord. This one. Okay, let me okay. And we're probably gonna have to do right. How did he already posted how to well, I'm gonna make this full screen for a second. So it's SC minus N? Or no, wait, what did he just, Jesus, he's going too fast. Minus H. Yeah, okay, so minus H seems to be what we need to put. Okay, so this is minus H. Yeah, okay, so ellipsoid, cylinder, active, box. So we want cylinder. What is the other thing? Oh, dimensions. Okay, you can do dimensions. Oh, so you can essentially make it like an oval or not a cylinder. Okay. So we're gonna have 4 dimensions. No, I'm just kidding. I don't actually know. Let's do the 1, 2, 3. 3. Or let's do 10, 20, 30. Just hopefully it's a big area that it places in, but I just want to see what that does. And then offset. I'm not sure I understand what offset is doing. So let's go back to the wiki again. Time. Okay, so we need to find array, and then we need. Has he not put minus H in here yet? Oh no. Let's see if it's further down. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, dimensions. Yeah, all regions. We want, after using the brush once at the same position. Triangle is just some 3-point polyhedral selection I saved. Oh, okay. So you could essentially make a selection shape and then have that be the brush shape. That's really cool. That's actually really useful. Dang, okay. Okay. That's really cool. Oh, what is, okay, so this is, now we're on minus, now we're done with minus H up there. So minus D is direction, E is threshold, defaults to empty, okay, minus E. Defaults to 0.5. Expected value range is -1 to 1. Example, this thing, E. So minus D. Okay, so this is just the same as scatter now, essentially, I would assume. Oh yeah, this is scatter. I'm dumb. But the same stuff that you can use in scatter can be used to make a brush, right? That is scattering. Because that's all you're essentially doing is an easy scatter with a brush or a specific, you know, shaped brush if you really want. So it's a good way to look at it. At least for me. It helps me think about it. I don't know. Hopefully I help somebody else. Okay, so I didn't really understand what offset meant, I think. But I think we'll just leave it to whatever default is and hope that that works fine. Okay. Oh. Missing minus H. What did I do wrong? How did he type it? Well, that doesn't help when he typed a letter of it. Missing syntax. Property. Do I need like a colon here? That doesn't make any sense to me. No. That's what? Am I doing something wrong, or is this just bugged, maybe? Cylinder, it gives me that. Why would it let me put dimensions if it's not going to let me put dimensions? Let's just do 10. Just a simple file, open schematic. Oh. I guess profile grass doesn't exist. Or it deleted itself. I don't know. Either way, we can remedy that one pretty quickly. We can just oh boy, 1 second. Whew, sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay. Copy skim save progress _0. Yeah, what? Okay, maybe it's just not working correctly then. Unless I'm spelling it wrong. Prof. Let me just, because it says this exists, right? To make sure. Bop. Yeah. Invalid characters or extension missing. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing wrong now. Let's get rid of dimensions and just put the... No. Okay, it's just... It really doesn't like profile grass. Let's just... That's concerning. Is that... I mean, that's a really simple name. That's nothing, like, complicated or like, outlandish or anything like that. It's not like I'm using, you know, crazy things. I wonder... What is format? Whoa. Whoa. Oh. I don't know what... I assume they're schematic, right? I don't know, or if I don't know if it's supposed to be schematic or if it's supposed to be the skim 2.2 or skim. It might be just skim, right? It's either that or skim.2. No, okay. Skim 2? How about... Do I put... I can't imagine why it would matter, but maybe if I put format before the... Maybe if that's the first thing I put, and then comma that. I can't imagine that would matter, but... Okay, let's go through all of them. So schematic. Okay, none of those worked. Shoot. Legacy entities, PNG, safe, skim, slow, sponge. Test. I can't possibly imagine it would be one of these other ones, but Huawei dot two. Okay. What happens if I do skim? Okay, load progress underscore 0. And then paste that. Okay, so it is definitely work. There are schematics. I just have no idea what to put in here to make that work. Shoot, I was really hoping to get this working today. It's not gonna be MC edit, I know that. Maybe slow. There's no way it's any of the other ones. I don't know what it's wanting specifically, I guess. And I mean, I guess one of the very helpful things would be kind of only showing the ones you could actually use, right? I don't know. Maybe that's not possible, but like, there's no way you're ever gonna need, what is it, image and fucking PNG or whatever. Yeah, at least not that often. I guess some people upload images with World Edit, but like, I don't know. Anyway, what are they gonna be doing? Schematic or brushes with that image? I guess I mean, I guess that could be a thing, right? That would be kind of cool. Now that I think about that, that would be kind of cool. You upload like a palette or something of the sort, and then like use that palette as a brush essentially to color your whatever or texture your build, you know. Okay. Well, for now then, let's just do something we know will work, like clipboard, because yeah, I don't know why that's being stubborn. And I don't know what I'm doing enough to fix it. So yeah, we're just gonna copy that. Okay, and then yeah, well, what the confusing thing is that should just, you know, I wonder. Hold on, let me get rid of this. Let me actually go. Let me grab the original command again. Right. Let's just plop that back in. Okay. And essentially, all we're gonna change is this to 0. Okay, so it does know that it still just seems like it's not working then. Or it excuse me, it works in a different way than I thought. Or it just doesn't work yet. That could also be, it could just, well, he did say it was implemented. He did say it was currently working. So maybe I, excuse, wow. Ooh. Maybe I'm just missing something? That's a really cool gift. It's really fun to watch. Anyway, so what I want is uniformity, all that. Okay, so we're getting to the brush scatter stuff, right? That's kind of useful, so you can't overclick. Well, that didn't give me any information I was hoping to get. Okay. Also, might just be me, but that don't look like a cylinder. Oh, right. We needed to do -H. Cylinder, right. Can I just do that? Okay. Okay, so it does work. It does work. Okay. Okay, wait. So now that, if that works, let's see if the dimensions thing that I was doing, 10, 20, 30. Because it seems like it's just... Oh, no, no, no. That didn't work either. Okay. Oh, whoops. I put too many brackets. That didn't help. Let's see then. Let's just do 30. Okay, that worked. Let's do... let's do 100. Let's see how big that is. See how long that takes. Okay. That wasn't too bad, actually. That's actually pretty good. Okay. And yeah, it kind of has different heights and stuff going on. That's pretty cool. For one schematic, that's pretty impressive. But again, do we need to put maybe the thing in brackets? And then we can put the star maybe? Or am I just missing how to do... There's gotta be a way to do it. ZBrush scatter. I don't know. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. It doesn't seem like it's possible that would, or I'm doing it wrong. I don't see where it says anything about having multiple schematics. Yeah. All right. We'll give up on that one for now. Now what I want to do is just look real quick. I think that's most of the ones that he said he wanted to test. Let's see. Range thing that got changed. Yeah, okay. Anyway, sorry. So, I don't really think there's much else I wanted to test, honestly. I can't do what I was hoping to do in the first place, unfortunately. But that's still good information. I think the only thing I really want to test is the array again. And I kind of want to do it with the Pluto ball. Let's do that with this time. And let's just see how that other one works. The I'm already forgetting, orthogonal, I think. So copy that, and then actually let's copy it from right in the middle of the U. Copy. Okay, and then we want cell or just convex selection. Okay, that's more than enough complication for that. Now, easy, spline, or no, what is it? Easy. It's just array, right? Yeah. Clipboard. Origin. We'll do center for this one. Actually, no. We'll keep inherent. See what it does. Paste method. Fast. Don't think that matters right now. Okay. So yeah, orthogonal, and then angle. Is that the one that we were wanting to actually do stuff with? Now I'm forgetting how I got there. Here we go. Orthogonal. Okay. Is that the one that I was... Where's the example? Yeah, that is the one... I think. No, that's the same as what we already had. What's the one that I wanted to do? Hold on. Oh, whoops, too far. One more. Okay. Was it tangential? No, wait. I guess it is orthogonal. We just want to like rotate it blank degrees from, yeah, that other looking position. Okay, so let's just do like 270, just see what that does, and go from there. And then we'll do I think that's all we need, right? Yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go. It's rotating it around. That is a little bit wild. So 270, I think, is forcing it to essentially face this way along the spline, right? But it's still kind of rotating a little bit, you know? So if I do, let's say, oh, I can do 2? No, okay, doesn't seem like that. Let's do like 27. Let's do a random. Okay, yeah, so I'm right. Yeah, that's they're all facing about 27 degrees there-ish. Would be kind of cool if you could just do your aim, right? Instead of having the angle be a number, you could just, like, you know, point somewhere. I think that would be very useful. Because I could see this being useful for something, right? Maybe like an animation or something like that, or like showing a, I don't know, a thing going through time or whatever. I don't know, but could be useful. Yeah, I think that is actually all I wanted to test today. So I'm gonna take a nice screenshot of all these balls. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. And let's take a picture. Maybe try to get rid of all the stuff below me. Just have the sky in the background. Yeah. Like that. That's a good one. Balls. Alright. With that, thank you all for watching. I am sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. And yeah, I think tomorrow I'm probably not going to be testing anymore unless things get fixed that fast, but I don't expect them to or anything. Either way, I think I want to get back to the Firefly interior. I've been kind of scratching for that to just kind of finish it and get it over with, but it's still going to be a lot of work, just because interiors are both hard for me and they are just a lot of work because you just have to put a lot of thought and time and effort into it. But yeah, with that, look forward to tomorrow, same time, same place. Thanks again for watching. Pluto out.